Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Azurvais Pratik. So today we are going to continue our series that is Leetcode SQL to DataFrame Pyspark transformation. So we have taken uh, the problem that is problem number 180 consecutive numbers. Okay, so let's go to on Leetcode problems. Okay, so this is a SQL problem consecutive numbers. Okay, so there is a table logs. In the table there is a ID number. ID is a parameter field. Okay, so here we have to find all numbers that appears at least three times consecutively. Okay, means like 111 it is a consecutive way. So we have to return the result table in any order. The result format of the following example are below. So this is the log table. So there is IDs and numbers. Here you can find so there is a 111, then 2, then again 122. Okay, so we have to find the consecutive number at least three times. Okay, so means after one, then that after one and one, so we have to return the values which having the at least three times. Okay, appears consecutively three times. Hmm. So for that we are using um, the function that is a lead function, Windows function. So if you don't know lead function, so let me show you. Okay, so the lead function is used to get the value from the row that succeed the current row. Okay, the n and the default argument of the function is optional. So let me show you the notepad. Okay, so id column. Okay, so if the id is 1, then 1, then 1, then 2, 3, then id is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so num value is if it's 1, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, so lead what it does, lead actually take the previous value of that what kind of column we are going to uh, you know we are doing the actions like used to get a value from the row that succeed the current row. Okay, so in this lead we will get the value of previous one, like this one goes to here, then these two will go to here, then this below 3 will go to id number 3. So that's how the lead functions work. Okay, so we are also writing the solution. Okay, so we also have a solution here. Okay, so our approach is let me. Okay, so if there is a ids, okay, one, then number is one, then we are going to see the next. Okay, so if the number is one, then two, then one, one, two, three, three. Okay, so by using the lead function we are taking the you know uh, consecutive previous one values succeed. Okay, so we will take, so this one will goes to here, this one, then below that, below this one will go to here. So below 2 value goes to here, then according 3 goes to here, then again 3 will go to here, and before that, after that, there is a no value, so we will get to 0. Okay, so this is the next one, this is the next lead I'm going to define. Okay, so after that I'm using, after lead we are calculating the next lead, next to next lead. Okay, so in next to next lead we are also again using the lead function, so it returns against the previous one values the 1 here, then the 2 here, then after that the 3 here. Okay, so likewise we will get the result. Okay, then below that is 0 and again 0. Okay, so our uh, you know so this is a 1 1 1 here, so we have to find the consecutive 3 times. Okay, so this is the the this is a trick we are using. So we have to find the next link number, then after that next link. If the number is 1, then we are going to uh, see the result. If the num value is equal to next lead, then also the next lead value is equal to next, then we will return the IDs. Okay, so that's how we will get the result, final results. So these are the tricks we are going to use in our solutions. Okay, so here I have already written this column name, this schema. I have created a data frame here. So let's check. Okay, so we will get the results. There is IDs and num column values 1 1 1. So we have to find the 3 consecutive numbers at least 3 times, like this 1 1 1, then 2 3. So in our result it will get the ID number 1. Okay, so for that I have imported the uh, rank functions. Like here we only want a lead function, we don't want rank. And so I have input column and read. Then after that I have imported a window function, then, dot Pyspark dot SQL dot window input. So let's do the transformation. So after that I'm going to define the window here. So in this window I'm importing the window function. I'm using the window order by. So I'm going to order by the ID. Okay, column ID. So that's why I have written here. So after that I'm writing the main query, main data frame. So df dot with column. So we will first check for next value, for rating for the next value with column. Then I'm going to use, I'll define the next. Okay, in the next I'm going to use lead function. So in lead function we have to give the column name on which we are going to do the succeed the value we are returning. So in the lead function I'm going to give column num. Okay, and after that we have to what kind of how much number. Okay, at how much interval the data will be will return. Like if you give the 1 here, then we will get the value from 1, after that 1 value. Okay, so if you give in the 2, then we will get the value from this one to this one. Okay, so if we give the 3 value, so it will pass the 3 values and we'll get the result. Like for this one we will get the 2. Okay, that's how. So we want the next value, so I have given the 1. Okay, so in that after that I'm going to use our function. In that our function I'm going to pass that window which we defined previously. Okay, so let's check. uh, num is not defined. Okay, okay, so we got the result. That is the next value we get from the previous one. This one is get from the previous num next, then this one here, then 2 from here, then 3 from here, then 2 from here, then likewise Again I am going to use the lead function here as same as previously. Now I'm going to use the next column. Okay, I'm going to use the lead function on the next column. Okay, so I'm going to use one value. Again I'm going to use over function. Okay, over. So in that over I'm going to pass the window. Okay, so after that we will get next to next value. Wait, let me add the next column. Okay, to next. Now check. Maybe. Yeah, so we get the results like from next. We got the values to next. Okay, okay, so we get the previous values with using the lead function. One goes to one here, then two goes to here, then three goes to here, two goes to lead here. Okay, so after that we are giving the filter value. So like if num is equal to the next, and again the this next is equal to next to next. So we will filtering the data, that we will filter the IDs. So I'm giving the def dot filter. On that filter I'm checking the if the column name num is equal to column name next. So num one value is equal to next one value. Okay, then again I'm giving the second filter. If the column next is equal to column next to next. Okay, so we have to put in the parenthesis because we are filtering the two values. Okay, so let me. Okay, so let's check now. Maybe one. Okay, mm, column now then equal to column next. Okay, then this parenthesis column next, this parenthesis. Okay, let me check first. Okay, now we have to Okay, I have mistakenly type one and here. So let's check now. Okay, so we get the IDs, the num, the next one, next values. Okay, so we want only the ID here. Okay, okay. Also we have to want it, the column name consecutive numbers. So I'll select column ID. Uh, Lives, let me see, 15 number. Okay, let's check now. Okay, so we get the output that is the one. So we get the consecutive number as is lead code also, and the one is the only number that is appears consecutively for at least 3 times. Okay. Uh, so friends, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and you can also share. Okay, so for that day, thank you friends.